Hey, I'm Alex Huntwich.
And I'm Ryan Hunter. We're here today to talk about the reusable weather enclosure system known as RWES.
It's the only tension system on the market, and it's patented by GNB Global.
Let's see what the RWES is going to do to this thing, not what this thing's going to do to the RWES. So just to prove that it's actually working, cut through trees. Will it cut through the RWES? I would say RWES 1, Weed Whacker 0. RWES wins again.
Perfect, that was great.
Yeah, but that's good. We want to see damage.
I know, that's why I was like, I want to see the sticker peel off.